Hello, y'all. Today I'm going to test the smoke alarms in my house. Starting out with this. This is a first generation Keda 20SD10V.
Fire.
Alright. Up next is a Keda 20SA10. Alright, let's do this. You can hear the other alarms going off. That's an interconnected system for you. Alright, moving right along. We got the Keda Model 30 CUA10. This, I'm actually going to go around the house and show y'all every alarm going off. This is a first generation, by the way.
Warning. Carbon monoxide.
You can actually hear them doing a CO signal, too. They're still doing CO signals. Alright. Up next is a Keda 20 SDR. First generation. Alright. Moving right along. Hey, fold my chair up. I'm using it to test these alarms with. I'm gonna place it here while I test this next alarm. This is a Keda 20SA10 first generation, as you can tell by the open vents and the green LED being different. Let's test it.
Fire.
And you can hear the rest of the alarms going off.
Fire.
And last but not least is a Keda 30CUA10-V second generation. Now it's chirping. Alright, let's go.
Fire. Warning. Carbon monoxide.
I'm gonna let the last of the alarms finish up. Alright. Hope you all like this quick video. I'll see y'all soon. I gotta go check what that fault is. See ya.